Welcome back to the Electrician's Channel. Today I want to talk about my FLUKE PRV240 volt proving unit, and what this device does is excuse me, I can't. What this device does, it's a proving unit where when you buy it comes calibrated, and it puts out 240 volts AC or DC, and you use this device to test your test instruments with by taking your probes and you put them on the common and the hot in here, and it will send out 240 volts. And here's a selector switch right here that will put it in either DC mode or put it in AC mode. And whatever meter or clamp meter or multimeter that you're testing, it should come out 240 volts. If not, it'll be in spec, maybe 239, 238.5, something like that, which would be in spec. But this is a calibrated 240 volt. It's been calibrated, so it's sending out exactly 240 volts, not 241, not 239. It's 240 volts that this thing is putting out. And I bought this because when I was working industrial, when I'm doing industrial work, your measurements have to be precise. If you're working on PLCs or VFD drives or something like that, you need precise measurements. So with that being said, you need something to calibrate or to show you that your unit or your test instrument is working properly. You just can't go put it in the wall, and that's one way of testing to see if it works. Well, I'm gonna get 240 volts. Yeah, you put it in the wall and you get 120 or 115 or maybe off. This is a way of getting a fixed voltage and to see if how much your testing device is off, and if it needs to be sent off to get calibrated or not. Now, if a reading is not that important to you, you just want to test and see if you have voltage here or there, well, okay, well, you don't need this. But I need this because I'm in the compliance testing and measurement business, and I need to have precise measurements and what I'm testing to make sure that this 24 volts going here, or whatever's going here, and things like that. But this is a good device. A lot of other companies out there that make these proving units. There's Martindale, they make them. Megger makes them. Of course, FLUKE. There's a few more out there that make these proving units. Yokogawa, I think they makes one. I think Hayoki makes them too. But I do know the first three that I mentioned: FLUKE, Martindale, and Megger. They make them, and this is a good device to have. So I recommend it that you get it. It cost me, what did I pay for it? It was $100 and something for this unit, and it was worth it. It was worth it. So guys, if you're doing electrical work and you do need to test your multimeter or your clamp meter, or whatever testing device that you do have, you may want to think about getting one of these things here, and then you will see just how far off that your meter is out of calibration if you're doing testing or what have you. This is the way to go. Okay, fellas. And it takes 4 9-volt batteries. I mean, 4 AA batteries. I'm sorry, 4 AA batteries here, and that's it. The 2 ports here, common, hot. The selector switch on the side for AC, DC, and you got your device with a magnetic strap on it. If you got a truck or whatever, snap it on the door, or if you're doing any tests, whatever measurements you're taking, put it on the door next to it before you take your reading. You test your meter on here, so you'll know just where you are after you take that measurement, whatever you testing. If you 5%, 5 volts low, out of calibration or what have you. But this is a good device to have. a good device to have. Okay, fellas, I want to thank you again for stopping by. And as always, hit that subscribe button that you'll receive notifications of my future videos. Hit that like button. That would inspire me to continue putting out these videos. Also, leave a comment, and I will surely get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, fellas, thank you. And as always, you guys be safe. Peace.